2020 has been the year when my life got bombed. I bombed means it's like a जैसे बोलते हैं ना वो atomic bomb जो गिरा Hiroshima, Nagasaki. I think that is what happened in my life in 2020. So so the last 5 years, I have been with the Yoga Institute, and I sort of, for me, that became a home. It became a community for me. I started staying very close to the Yoga Institute. I used to have my meals over there, and and my whatever you see in terms of me as a person, I would really give credit to what I have learned and grown. Like if anywhere I become a little bit maybe a good teacher or a facilitator or gain some maturity, I would give, of course, credit to my whole journey of all the difficulties and challenges. But these 5 years have been really, really fruitful for me to understand the principles of mindful living, to understand the principles of living a conscious life and really applying it. And for me, that community really gave me a lot of support and opportunity. So I think the 2020 the was the year जहां मेरे को अपने माँ बाप का घर छोड़ना पड़ रहा. Okay, which means जैसे हर बच्चा को कभी ना कभी you have to go out there and fend for yourself and do your own thing. So for me, 2020 was the year where I have to now go out in the world and do my own thing. So so when that happens, of course, it's a really terrifying time in the sense because you have created your whole life around a certain structure, around a certain system, and that structure and system is no longer there. तो फिर अब क्या करेंगे मतलब so so basically in many ways, I think that whole structure, the whole system that I had created for myself, and whatever I thought myself to be, whatever I believed myself to, everything came crashing down. Literally came crashing down. I think I've shared with those of you who have been in the classes that I've been going through some very difficult feelings and emotions and uncertainty. And I think it was like a tsunami that happened for me. Really, it was, and I've been writing and I've been posting some of the stuff on the group and also on Facebook. But what I realized, having undergone that experience, after the storm happens, the air is more purer. Or after a forest fire happens, the soil is more richer. So I think the most, if you really ask me, the most spiritual moment of your life is when you go through a huge crisis. That is the spiritual moment of your life. Because all that you thought comes crashing down. Your so-called ego, your so-called control mechanism, your so-called structures, and everything comes crashing down and you have nothing to hold on to. Now what do? And that is God knocking on your door in his own way and saying, my son, come to me now. This year is to live without structures. कि मुझे पता नहीं मेरी लाइफ में अब कल क्या होने वाला है, but I'm fine. आज तो मैं I'm breathing right now, right? So I'm comfortable with not knowing, or the fact that I don't need to always have structures to feel secure. And learning to sort of let go of this need to constantly be in control of my time, to be in control of my routine and discipline. So I am now, perhaps I think that structure was important for my growth for those 5 years. But now, like God is saying, okay, ye sab chodo, now we'll move you to the next grade. But in order to go to the next grade, you have to let go of this security you have created for yourself. That's how I see it or interpret it for myself. So for me, what I have been doing is like a revelation, honestly. When I started in August, the first month, मुझे पता नहीं था मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. बस ऐसी था दिमाग में कि mindful living class start करनी है. एक भी बंदा आएगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं मालूम था, ये बस दिमाग में था, एक नो दाई सेल्फ करेंगे. I had not planned for any sessions. And as I went along, after the first month, I thought, I can't do this. Like, I'm used to doing this 21-day course. मतलब 4 साल से कर रहा हूँ, मुझे मालूम है एक दिन के बाद क्या आएगा, next दिन क्या आएगा ने. And it's easy. I know the happiness workshop. I have the structure. I know what will come next day, next day, next day. But this is like crazy stuff. मतलब every day I have to prepare something new, and I don't know how I can generate so much of creativity and content. And here we are in December, I'm still doing new topics. So what I'm trying to say is, what I have learned is to trust, either you can call it God or nature or universe or spirit or whatever, and learn to also just go with the flow, and always to have that some kind of a security of a certain relationship or a certain finances, or hamesha wo, that will, you will create it and then life will again break it away. Again you will create it, then life will again break it away. So one has to learn to be with this ability to be in the moment, and learn to let go of this need for constantly wanting to control things. So that has been my main learning in this year, of learning to let go of control. वैसे भी मेरे पास choice नहीं था. Not that I said कि हाँ, I will let go. I think circumstances happened that I had to let go of control. Otherwise, I would go crazy in my head. So that has been my learning for 2020. And I'm really grateful to all of you for being part of this journey that I have taken with you, even though of course, I am the so-called teacher or facilitator over here, but I see myself equally as as any one of you who's on his own learning journey path. We all are human beings with our own learning journey, whatever we are, and so we are all in it together. I play a certain role, that's fine, but we all have the same final goal, which is to grow and find our true self and true happiness. So that has been my experience of 2020, and I go into 2021 with empty hands. I have no control over anything in life, and I'm learning to be comfortable with not having control and not knowing कि कल क्या होने वाला है. So that has been my, that is what I'm looking forward to. Um, can I live a life without this notion of control? That this is what my life is, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is how it should be, this is how it's like, ठीक है देखते हैं अभी क्या होगा. So that has been the whole turnaround for me in this particular year.